I'm Tony Henriques. I am the Director of Mobile Design Studio, and we've been operating in the UK since 2021. We are a stone fabricating company. We manufacture luxury worktops, bathroom claddings, etc. for the market. The market is flooded with a lot of inferior products, and it gives us confidence in promoting the Technistone product to our clients, because we know it's a world-class product. When I was in the Technistone factory in the Czech Republic, I was most impressed by the size of the factory. It was absolutely massive. What impressed me the most was the slab compressing machine and how clean everything is and how everything had its place. It was very impressive. They took us into every single room and showed us exactly how everything gets made. We saw all the minerals, we physically touched all of them. Good to see how everything gets together. So once the slabs arrive at our factory, our machine operators will already have a drawing made up for them, which they have saved onto the actual machine. So basically, we will then cut the Technistone slabs into whatever it is, from kitchen tops to whatever it is, all on CNC machines with water, keeping with all the European standards that we have to do in our factory. From then it gets put into a van and we send it out to get installed. Working with Technistone, the best part I can say is that it cuts beautifully. There's never been an issue with slabs breaking, blemishes, marks. You know, when you buy the slab and they arrive at your factory, the quality's there. There's no inspection of the slabs and thinking they might be warped or bowed, or so they're top class. There's gets peace of mind. So Technistone slabs we use a lot in kitchen tops. We also do a lot of bathroom vanity tops with it. We've done a few staircases as well. So it's quite versatile. It gets used everywhere. I find Technistone better or above the others in terms that the way they relate with their fabricators is better than most. They're more open. It's more of a family feeling, family company, than it is just a number and send me your orders and we'll send you slabs. There's more of a personal touch. I recommend Technistone because of peace of mind. We never have any issues with it. It's